There are many questions in the world that people haven't been able to find the answer to. Who built the pyramids? Does God exist? What does bruh sound effect 1 sound like? Well, I found out the answer to one of these questions, and I found out who built the pyramids. Wait, no. I found out what bruh sound effect 1 actually sounds like. I know it sounds crazy, but after doing extensive research, I've been able to do it. I was just scrolling through YouTube like any other day, and I saw bruh sound effect 2 in my recommended box. So I clicked on the video to get a chuckle and get that nice essence of the bruh. But then I started getting curious and decided to look at the person who uploaded the bruh sound effect. So I click on the channel and see it's uploaded by someone named Jamie Benedict or Jamie Benedict, I'm not really sure which is correct. So I go to their channel and see that they just have a bunch of sound effects uploaded, bruh sound effect 2 being one of them. But then it hit me. My whole life had been a lie. I see that the first sound effect uploaded is called I Eat Pears sound effect number 1. And then I see the second sound effect is bruh sound effect 2. And then I see the third sound effect is Hi, welcome to Chili's sound effect 3. So bruh sound effect 2 isn't actually bruh sound effect 2. It's bruh sound effect 2. It's the second sound effect in a series of sound effects. Now when I saw this, I was on the verge of tears. Imagine just waking up one day and finding out that your whole life is a lie and that your favorite meme wasn't actually what you thought it was. That is my life right now, and I don't know how to feel. But now that brings us back to the question, what does bruh sound effect 1 actually sound like? And I'm going to play it for you in 3, 2, 1.
I eat pears now and like that.
I eat pears, and like that is actually, technically, bruh sound effect 1. I hope this piece of information didn't emotionally scar you as much as it scarred me, and I hope you all have a great day.